Greg Chick with DIYPlumbingAdvice.com here. I have a new product. I wrote a book, All Things About Water, as told by the plumber, and he's seen it all. It needs a new title. That's where you come in. Can you do it? Yes, you can, and I can help. Here's how. You download the book for free. You read it. You get some good ideas. You send me a title idea. The winner gets the credit in the book. You get free books. And you don't have to worry about reading a long book. It's less than 100 pages. It's got plenty of art, fun pictures. And I've been a couple of suggestions like, OMG, look what just came out of my faucet. Or, what's water got to do with it? Something like that. Anyway, can you do it? Yes, you can, and I can help. Thank you for watching, and follow the instructions.